Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So if you encounter the message, it typically means TikTok has restricted access to certain settings or features due to your account's age, region, or privacy policy. So here's how you can address and fix the issue. First, you need to verify your date of birth. So if your account is registered with an age below 18, TikTok may restrict features to comply with privacy laws. So the steps to fix it, you can go to your profile, tap on the menu at the top right corner, and then go to the settings and privacy. Then check for the age correction options or contact TikTok support to request a change. You might need to provide a proof of age such as an ID. And the second one, you can switch to a personal or business account. So some privacy settings are locked for users with chat accounts under 18 or restricted based on account type. So here you can just switch your account type by going to the settings and privacy, tap on account, and here I'm currently having a professional account. So if I want to switch it into personal, I can just click on this button, tap on switch anyway, and now my account has been switched into personal account. And the third one, you can check a family pairing mode. So if your account is linked through family pairing, a parent or guardian may have enabled restrictions. So if you want to disable restriction, you can ask the parent or guardian to log in their account, navigate to the settings and privacy, and find the family pairing options and adjust or remove the restriction. And the fourth one, the next one is ensure that the app and device region compatibility. So TikTok may restrict feature based on your regional privacy regulations. If you want to ensure or steps to fix it, you can ensure your account's region matches your actual location. You can use a VPN with, of course, with caution to test if region restrictions are affecting your settings. And you can also update your TikTok app. So using an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause settings to be unavailable. You can just go directly to the App Store or Play Store and check for updates. And you can also try to clear the cache by going to the settings and privacy, tap on free up space, and tap on clear under the cache in here. Click on clear, and hopefully it will resolve bugs that restrict settings. And the next one, you can also contact the TikTok support. In here you can just tap on the report a problem and describe the issue and request assistance. And you can also check for TikTok's privacy policy. So review the TikTok current privacy settings and updates to understand what features are restricted for your account type or regions. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.